In today's fast-paced world, where stress and negativity often dominate our lives, cultivating a resilient and positive mindset is more important than ever. Today, we'll explore timeless wisdom from a monk who will guide us on how to truly transform our mindset and lead a more fulfilling life. The journey to a better mindset starts with understanding that your thoughts are powerful. They shape your reality. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you neglect it, weeds will take over. But if you care for it, nurture positive thoughts, and remove the negative ones, your garden will flourish. Begin by becoming aware of your thoughts. Notice how often you dwell on the negative. When these thoughts arise, don't judge yourself. Instead, gently replace them with positive affirmations. Over time, this practice will rewire your brain, leading to a more optimistic outlook. One of the most effective tools for improving your mindset is meditation. But remember, meditation isn't just about sitting still. It's about connecting with your inner self and finding peace amidst the chaos of life. Start small, with just a few minutes each day. Focus on your breath, and when your mind wanders, gently bring it back. With regular practice, you'll notice a significant shift in how you respond to stress and adversity. Meditation teaches you to detach from the noise of the mind and observe your thoughts without being overwhelmed by them. As you deepen your practice, you'll find that challenges are no longer obstacles but opportunities for growth. When faced with difficulty, ask yourself, what is this situation trying to teach me? By shifting your perspective, you can turn every challenge into a lesson. This mindset not only builds resilience but also helps you approach life with confidence and adaptability. Remember, the strongest trees grow in the most challenging environments. Similarly, the most resilient minds are forged through overcoming life's trials. Gratitude is another essential practice for cultivating a healthy mindset. In our pursuit of more, we often forget to appreciate what we already have. But by focusing on the abundance in your life, you shift your mindset from scarcity to gratitude. Each morning, take a few moments to reflect on what you're thankful for. It could be something as simple as the warmth of the sun or the support of a loved one. Improving your mindset is not a one-time effort, it's a continuous journey. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to grow. By embracing these teachings, you can cultivate a mindset that not only brings you peace and fulfillment but also empowers you to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Take these lessons to heart and watch as they transform your life from the inside out. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living a balanced and purposeful life. May your mind be a place of peace, growth, and infinite possibility.